In this video, we'll be taking you with us as we fly from London to Abu Dhabi on Etihad Airways' amazing first-class apartment. We were lucky enough to snag seats 3K and 4K, which can be combined into one huge suite. As I first walked into my apartment, I couldn't believe how much room there was inside.
Fine.
Alright.
This is Estenope 2010.
Where is it from?
From France.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
In the Côte d'Ivoire region.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, just for your Emirati designed a loungewear for you to change during the flight.
Thank you.
Together with some sleepers. I'm going to keep it in your personal wardrobe.
Okay, all right.
Whatever you want to change, you will find it there. Okay?
Thank you so much, Juliana. As the plane took off, we were both excited to see what else was in store.
Duval Le Roi Rosé Prestige Prime Crew.
Okay, thank you. That's a rosé?
Rosé.
Okay,
Prestige.
thank you. That's good.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all. Cheers to this flight we have been looking forward to for several months. Looks like someone found the headphones and is modeling it in front of the camera. About 45 minutes after takeoff, the crew set up our tables for dinner. Let's take a quick look at the wine and food menu. We both ordered caviar to start things off. It featured several sides, which I found to be quite difficult to fit on this tiny piece of blinis. Look at the beautiful presentation of this lobster tail salad. Mango sorbet is served before the main entree to cleanse the palate. I'll always order beef tenderloin if it's served on an airplane. This red wine chosen by our flight attendant paired perfectly with the dish. And finally, this very rich chocolate marquise to finish off my meal. While Beverly ordered the toffee pudding for her dessert. Let's take a tour of my apartment 4K. It felt surreal seeing how much room there was, and never in my wildest dreams did I ever imagine flying like this. First, let's take a look at my leather seat, which was very spacious. Both of us actually fit in this one seat. Beside the seat is the vanity mirror, which has an Acqua di Parma amenity kit inside. There's a small pull-out table with a cup holder and a couple drawers below with some water and soda. There's an adjustable lamp by the door, and the headphones are stored on the shelf below. The apartment features double sliding doors for privacy. Along the divider are controls for the window shades, all the lighting, and to adjust the TV. Here's the handheld control by the seat for the entertainment system. There are 2 USB ports as well as a power outlet to charge your devices. There are touchscreen controls under the armrest. You can adjust your seat as well as the bench, use the massage function, control the windows, and adjust the lighting. This bench, which turns into a twin-size bed, is the highlight of the apartment. You can control each light individually or all together in this menu. Does your seat feel too firm? Don't worry, you can adjust it in this menu. These other controls can be used if you don't want to use the touch screen. This convenient reading light is right beside the seat. Let me put the bed back in its normal position. A large pull-out table is on the right side of the seat. It has a push-to-release function, which makes it easy to pull out. This 27-inch touchscreen TV is one of the largest I've seen in a plane. The luggage storage is located under the bench. And finally, one of the best features of our seats was opening up the divider, which creates a larger suite for us. There's also additional storage space in this closet by the door. Wrinkle-free, breathable pajamas and slippers are provided by a friend of mine. Let's take a look at the Acqua di Parma amenity kit. This was our first time seeing a bar in an airplane. It has room for 6, and I was quite surprised no one hung out there when I stopped by twice. Another unique feature of this flight is the onboard shower. The bathroom with a shower is pretty small, so you'll have to find spots to hang your clothes and other toiletries you have. Water is activated with this push button, and the temperature can be adjusted with this knob. I had 5 minutes worth of water, which I thought was plenty enough as long as you don't leave the water continuously running. We've never taken a shower on a plane before, so we were pretty excited to finally be able to take one while flying. The flight attendants prepared our beds as I was taking a shower. Look how nice and cozy this setup is. It's the perfect way for couples to sleep while flying. Breakfast was served an hour before landing. This cheese and herb omelette was tasty and filling. And some fruits to finish off my meal. We were given a small box of lait de roi chocolates as we prepared to land. As we were approaching Abu Dhabi, I thought to myself, this might be the best flight I've ever been on. And yes, this is definitely my favorite flight I've taken. Everything about the flight was fantastic. We only wish the flight was longer than 7 hours, but it was an experience we will never forget. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.